Alright, here's the setup. We got hose, discharge side of the pump, and that small clear hose. Then now we're drain, we're at the batteries. Moment of truth. I'll tell you what, it's Saturday, July 12th, and we're going to do an oil change on the boat. I'm sure people are gonna say, ooh, why not do it in the beginning of the season? Ooh, why not do it at the end of the season? Ooh, why not? The boat runs a lot of hours. You hit oil changes throughout the season. It's not that I waited or didn't do it. Just that time, or almost that time. We have the bluefin blowout coming this week, so I want fresh oil, and we're gonna be gone for 2-3 days, whatever. 2 days. Leave Tuesday night, not get back till Thursday night. So that's why I want fresh oil, and we're almost at that point. So let's get to it. All right, first off, shout out to Sea Dog Line for sending us this oil pump. We don't have one built in. This one just hooks up to your battery. It's got hoses, and best part is it looks like it'll work for, you know, and outboard engines as well. We used to use one of those compression, you know, vacuum pumps, hand pumps. Takes pretty sweet. Got some hoses. Also comes with some smaller hoses. I'm assuming that's your suction line, so that'll fit down an dipstick tube right there for sure. And here you go. Here's your pump. Hook up your lines. On/off button. You get your clips right there to your battery. So let's get to it. We just ran the engine for about 10-15 minutes to get her warmed up. Gonna set this up, start sucking out the oil. Gonna crack the fuel drain hose here. Step 1 complete. Alright, step 2. Anthony's got the bucket. For those that don't know, we definitely not a sponsor yet. Schaefer's reaching out to us. We like to use Schaefer's oil. We used to use Rotella. We would fill up or top off our oil probably every, I don't know, 2 trips, top off. Then we switched to Valvoline Blue Label or something like that, is what Cummins recommended. That lasted a little bit longer, and we would top off that probably once a month. This stuff lasts, and it is still very thick when we take it out of the when we drain the oil. So highly recommend Schaefer's oil. It's more expensive, but it's worth it. I don't care what anybody says. The money you put in is the money you're gonna save in the long run, so highly recommended. Been about 5 minutes, maybe. She's taken out, I don't know, about that much oil. Like I said, I really should have warmed up the engine longer, but it's alright. She is sucking away. Very impressive, this little pump. Check these out. Still going strong. About halfway full. Very impressive little pump. Like I said, we used to use the like a vacuum pump style where you create a vacuum and it sucks it. You know, and it was only good for a gallon, so you'd pump it, suck a gallon, dump it in a 5-gallon bucket, come back. It just took forever. Way better. And can't forget Nico. Every time we try to work, he tries to play. The life of a dog. He plays with everything. Wrap with the pump. Highly recommend getting over to Sea Dog Line's website, buying you one of these pumps. Definitely time saver. Now for the fun part. Getting the oil filter off down here, which always makes a mess because it's full of oil. I gotta get it out, hand it to Anthony, and then let Anthony dump it in the bucket and drain it. Continue on. Diaper Trying to catch some oil. That's how good this goes. Highly recommend doing this with the strap wrench. Makes life so much easier. Like I said, the hard part is getting it to drop and not spill like everything else. Shit. Gonna make a mess here. Oh yeah. Spilled it. Shit. Hold on a minute. Yeah. Oh. Alright, yeah. Ready? Hardest part, you gotta go under this pipe. Get her lined up. Didn't get it that time. I have to lay down. I have to lay down to get it. Out of that time. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, Schaefer's oil out, Schaefer oil, time to go back in. Fun part is we're gonna use a funnel and dump it out of the bucket. I could use a pump, but I don't feel like hooking it back up. So we're gonna do by hand, and Anthony's gonna hold the funnel. Or he can dump, but I have a feeling it'd end up all over the engine and the bilge. So I guess I'll dump, and Anthony can do the bucket. I mean, Anthony can do the funnel. Alright, we're taking bets on a mess here. I'm going pretty good. Pretty good idea. Pretty good at making a mess.
Don't fuck one way with this.
Give Anthony 2 towels, it should be good. I'm going 80% mess, 30% no mess. There we go.
30% in the tank, 30%
Oh
in
shit,
the
this is gonna suck. Hold on. Should I do it fucking... You know what? I'm gonna put it in the small gallon first and then do it. Gallon 2. Yeah, leaking down into the pan.
on the floor.
Nah, that's it, man. Imagine. Oh, it'd suck.
No, you put the filter on, right?
Alright, I think we're pretty close. I'm gonna give her a run, and then check her, and probably top her back off.